We are in Reeve Union in the University Books and More store here in front of the Fair Trade items. They have cool items such as these. You should come check them out.
Fair trade promotes a fair price for growers in developing countries. It also promotes fair labor conditions, environmental sustainability, and community development. UW-Oshkosh was actually the first campus in the United States to become a fair trade university. So now we have fair trade items all around campus.
We interrupt this program to bring you an important message from Reeve Union. Do finals have you stressed out? Are you trying to find a quiet place to study? Boy, do we have the solution for you. Quiet study rooms are available in Reeve Union for Finals Week, December 12th through the 17th. Visit today in Reeve for room locations and times.
Boy, I'm sure glad I found this study room in Reeve Union. Now I'm going to get A's in all my finals. Everyone's going to be jealous of me.
We now return to your regular scheduled program.
So we're in the C-store in the fair trade section. Not only are there clothes and accessories made under fair trade conditions, but there's also food as well. There's lots of chocolate and coffee here, so make sure to go check out and see what items are here in the fair trade section.
This has been our weekly Reeve Connectors vlog. Check out my last week next week to find out where we are. Thanks, guys.